Isn't this epic, you guys? All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are here in the Icehouse Canyon just after a little snowstorm. And guess what? It's Toby's first time in the snow. We're gonna show you a bit of this canyon and also Toby's first time in the snow. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this kind of outdoor content, make sure to give me a like and subscribe for more. And let's get to it.
Let him off for a second.
Okay.
Ready, go. Good boy. You got it. Toby.
Toby.
Hi, honey.
Toby. What do you think of the snow? I know, buddy, I know.
Is that Puppy?
Mini.
Oh, Mini. Okay. He's only a year, so technically part of it. Yeah, totally. He's a year and a half. Oh my
So
gosh,
cute.
he's huge. I know, he's so big. You're so good. He can be weird with people, but he's really good with them. That's how she is. Yeah, exactly. Like super territorial, and then as soon as the dog comes, it's like, whatever. Yeah, exactly. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty.
Where'd you guys get the little jacket?
Well, we live in Orange County, so there's a place called Furley's, and they have them there.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Yeah, but I'm sure you could get it online.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice,
He doesn't seem to mind it. Nice to meet you.
See you guys.
He's so cute.
Super cute.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, look at Toby. Oh, he woke up. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and it was so incredible to see all that snow here at the Icehouse Canyon. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, you take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.